wish una crypto welcome to Crypto Gist with una crypto babe. And today wetin I wan talk about na wetin dem dey call FOMO. FOMO mean fear of missing out. But before I continue, I wan thank those of una wey don dey subscribe to my channel, and if you be new subscriber, I wan ask you to rush hit that notification button so that you go fit get notification anytime when I put up new video. Then if you never subscribe to this channel, just take shikini minutes may you help me subscribe to the channel, then share am to your friends, make everybody get this information about cryptocurrency when we dey talk about. So back to the matter, wetin I wan talk about now. FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. FOMO. Basically, anybody fit get FOMO. FOMO fit dey for anything, no be just for cryptocurrency. FOMO na every aspect of our life. As far as we dey this life, everybody dey get fear of missing out on something. So wetin fear of missing out basically mean for we language na say everybody don dey do, me sef gas do. Na wetin fear of missing out be that. But for cryptocurrency, na very terrible thing make person dey get FOMO, because e go mean say the person go buy cryptocurrency when e no suppose buy, or sell cryptocurrency when e no suppose sell. And the aim of going into cryptocurrency na make person make profit. So when I dey buy at a loss or I dey sell at a loss, wetin come be the essence of going into the cryptocurrency now? You understand? So wetin FOMO dey do be say FOMO dey play with people emotions, their feeling. You know how dem dey tell us make we fall in love with our head and not with our heart? Na so FOMO too be, na so cryptocurrency matter be. You go inside with your head and no be with your heart. Because if you dey go inside with your heart, na there you go use dey go buy coin wey you no suppose buy, or sell coin wey you no suppose sell. In fact, e get one story sef I wan hear of one Japanese man wey go buy cryptocurrency. As him buy the first time, him buy $900 worth. You see say, oh, the thing make sense. The next time when he go buy, he dey buy huge amount own. Before you know, and the man bin dey plan to send the pikin go school. Before you know, money he don go buy cryptocurrency wey he no suppose buy for high price. By the time when the cryptocurrency price come fall down, he come notice say na FOMO na him do am. So FOMO, how to escape FOMO na say when you see say people dey rush dey buy something or dey buy cryptocurrency, you go wait, you go study, you go ask question. Why dem dey buy at this time? Wetin I go gain if I buy at this time? Then e get graph dem. That is be like mathematics things when people wey dey trade dey follow. All those graph wey we use for secondary school that year. You go study am, you go ask question. Person no just dey jump dey enter dey go buy cryptocurrency just because say, hey, the price don dey go up oh, everybody dey buy oh, I fit miss out if I no buy oh. People wey dey buy like that, then dey make loss. Na wetin make FOMO dey very bad be that. In fact, one of the top people for cryptocurrency wey dem dey call Changpeng Zhao, na him be the owner of one exchange wey dem dey call Binance. The man give advice to say people wey dey fear for cryptocurrency matter, make people no dey follow them. Na people wey be say dem stand gidigba, dem wan build something out of cryptocurrency, na im make people dey follow. You sef na those kind people make you dey follow, make you dey study the market. If not, you dey follow people wey be say dem go buy cryptocurrency when dem no suppose buy. Then when dem come make loss, dem go say cryptocurrency no good. Another typical example, una remember say by 2017, cryptocurrency price high reach $20,000. So people wey be say the time when e dey $3, they no buy. E enter $3,000, they no buy. E go $9,000, they no buy. E go $10,000, they no buy. As I see say the thing don dey increase, come reach $20,000. Na that time some people come go buy. Why? Because dem dey feel say, hey, as this thing don dey increase now, if I no buy now, I go miss out. As dem buy that time, when the price come down, my brother, some people the thing shake them reach the foundation of their bone. But so basically, FOMO na bad thing for cryptocurrency because e no too good. And you know say cryptocurrency get season. E get wetin dem dey call bear market and e get wetin dem dey call bull market. Bear market na when the market dey come down, the market dey come down. Bull market na when the market dey go up, that means the prices dey go up. So if for bear market, person come buy cryptocurrency when maybe cryptocurrency dey high, e come buy am. When bear market come when be say cryptocurrency price come dey go down, e go feel say, hey, na so I go come lose all this my money. E go rush, e go sell. When that person come sell for that time now, the market go come experience wetin dey call bull run. That means the market go come dey go high. The person go come say market don dey go high oh, hey, I don make loss. So for cryptocurrency, na patience na im dem dey use. As in, person go gats use im brain come dey patient. No be say market dey go high you go dey fear, market dey go low you go dey fear. You go just give yourself unnecessary hypertension. Na calm. For cryptocurrency, just like love, you go use your head, no be your heart. So na gist wey I get for una for crypto gist today be that. So if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, still take time, make you subscribe, share the channel and like my page. Thank you for watching.